How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and happy New Year's Eve. It's officially the last day of the year, which is nuts, man. What a year 2024 has been. I hope you guys had a great year and have an even better 2025. So in this video, you guys saw the title, we're going to break down Palantir stock for one last time for 2024. We're going to go out with a bang here, guys. We're going to break down the charts, my thoughts, how we're looking right now heading into the new year. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Come on, guys, and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or simply go to stasurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, take a sip of your coffee. You're going to need it. And let's get right into the video. So it's currently about 11:30 a.m. on the East Coast, and we have Palantir stock down a little bit, about 0.3%, as all the indexes, except for the Russell, are in the red as well. The S&P is down about 0.25%. NASDAQ 100 QQQ down almost 0.5%, as the Dow is down 0.1%, and the VIX is pretty much at break even after recently. Was that yesterday or the trading day before? Either way, the VIX recently spiked up aggressively. Now it's kind of cooling off a bit, consolidating, and the VIX is at about 17 points right now, as the Russell, the small cap index, is up about 0.3%. Not bad. Not bad for the Russell, which you guys know. A little side note, I'm watching IJR, a small cap ETF, very closely heading into the new year for a bounce back. I think the Russell will bounce back. I could be wrong. I don't know, but I do suspect that heading into the new year. So that's how we're looking overall in a nutshell. You know, a little bit of green in the small caps, but the other indexes are all in the red. And Palantir is down now almost 0.4%, and a lot of the red came in the morning right out of the gate. I mean, we opened up at about $77.80, almost $78, and all pre-market, guys. I mean, look, we were consolidating all pre-market. Then once the market opened, boom, we tanked about $3, more like $2.50 roughly. We got down to about $75.60. That was a drop of about 3%. Not the end of the world. And you guys can see, since that point, we kind of have gotten ourselves in a wedge. You guys see the wedge right here. We're making higher lows on the intraday. You guys see that? But at the same time, we're making lower highs. Pretty obvious, right? Lower highs are being made at the same time as higher lows. So we're in a wedge on this intraday chart. Cheers, by the way. Let me get a sip of this coffee, guys. Very important. Oh, man, that's really good. Where was I? Wedge. Now we have to wait for the direction, right? Do we break out heading into close? And mind you, guys, the market is closed tomorrow. So this is going to be big, you know, heading into Thursday, what we do today, right? Do we break out heading into close, take out the wedge, break out of this 180 moving average, start pushing 77, 78 again? Or do we dump down, break the support, the bottom of the wedge, and start going under 76, back to the 75s, and who knows where we're going to go from there. But overall, we have a wedge here on the intraday chart. Let's see what direction we pick there. And, I mean, guys, on the 5-day, the trend is still intact. We're still downtrending, quote-unquote, in the very short term here on PLTR. I can't remember the last time I did an update. Maybe it was over the weekend. I know I didn't do one yesterday, but either way, the downtrend on the 5-day is still intact. Lower lows, lower highs, the whole 9 yards. And maybe going back to that intraday, if this wedge, plays out to the Bulls' favor, that could start indicating maybe a reversal the start of a reversal for the bulls on the 5-day 5-minute. Potentially, that's what that could indicate, right? And on this 30-minute chart, you guys can see we are still technically above the lows here from the middle of this month, about 2 weeks ago. Palantir in the middle of December was holding about $70, $72. So we're obviously well above that, technically holding a higher low there, even though we do have a death cross and we are under both moving averages here on the 30-minute chart. Despite that, we're still, technically holding a higher low, looking pretty decent here on the chart. So I actually like the way that this is getting a bit of a healthy pullback, right? Palantir was at $85 just about a week. Yeah, literally 1 week ago. We were at $85 last Tuesday, the day before Christmas, right? Excuse me, guys. We were at 85. Now we're down to 76. We're officially in correction territory, down about 10%, which is really healthy, guys. A nice, healthy pullback to start off the year. Now, the $1 million question is, will this dip get worse in the new year, right? Which I don't see any signs of that yet on the charts. I'm not even predicting that to happen, but we'll see. I mean, based on the charts, if we slip under this trend line, maybe start going down towards the low mid 70s again, 70, 72, and then if that were to break $70, okay, at that point, we might be getting worse. We might slip in the new year, sell off a little bit more towards 70, maybe 65 if things get ugly. 65 was the low from earlier this month and the beginning of the month, so that's where we could go, potentially, if this sells off even more. But the $1 million question is, guys, will we sell off more? Or is the sell-off we just got in the last week, the 10% drop that put us in correction territory, is that the only sell-off that we're going to get? And will we use that sell-off to the support here as a launching pad into the new year? That's what the bulls are praying for right now, guys. No doubt. They're hoping that this is the only sell-off we're going to get. And now in the new year, we're going to use it as a launching pad to continue the uptrend, which very well could happen. It's not guaranteed, guys, obviously, but I'm not seeing any signs quite yet as of now of us breaking this trend and going even lower in the new year. I'm not seeing signs of that here on the charts as of now. And of course, I'll keep you guys updated if I do see any signs or any changes on the charts here on these updates. So make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. Very, very important. So yeah, that's a quick breakdown on the 1 hour chart and obviously on the 4 hour chart, guys. There's nobody that's saying that, oh, the Bears are dominating Palantir. Obviously, the Bulls are in charge. We got a much-needed pullback right here, and we're getting closer and closer now to this 180 SMA at about $70, $72, which on the 4 hour chart, that's a big support. We'll see. It's holding as of now, and we'll see if that continues in the short term. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Join the email list if you want me to send you my top 3 stocks every Monday for free. That's linked down below. And don't forget to check out the Patreon if you want to keep up with my portfolio every week and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Deposit at least $100, you get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.